my name is Zia and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to ask ChatGPT to solve a very common and very interesting statistical question. We'll ask ChatGPT about a probability. Okay, let's first make our question to get a proper answer. You know that you have to make your question very proper. So let's first inform ChatGPT that hi, I have an statistical question. Okay, let me push this line into it. I have a set of 9 flowers. 5 of them are daffodils and 4 of them are tulips. Okay, first of all, let's make the situation that we have a set of 9 flowers. 5 of them are daffodils and 4 of them are tulips. Okay, so now the question is I want to pick randomly 5 flowers. What is the probability that 3 daffodils and 2 tulips are picked? Okay, the question is very precise now. That what is the probability if we randomly pick any 5 flowers out of the set of 9 flowers? What is the probability that 3 daffodils and 2 tulips are picked? Okay, so what I want is that ChatGPT should let me know the formula, should tell me the answer, and should give me a descriptive definition. So the answer is the hypergeometric distribution model, and let it first write it. Here is the formula, that is okay, correct formula is there, and the solution it is giving is very appropriate. Yes, it will be 47.62%. Let's first understand what it is saying. Okay, the hypergeometric distribution model, the probability of drawing a certain number of objects of a specific form a population of a known size without replacement. In this case, the population consists of 9 flowers. Yes, this is the total number of flowers, 5 of which are daffodils and 4 of which are tulips. Correct. Okay, the probability of drawing exactly k daffodils and n k tulips in a sample of size n, where k equals to 3 and n equals to 5, in this case is given by the following formula. The formula is very correct. Now this is the capability of ChatGPT, that it is picking and choosing the right formula for this question, and here it is solving it very properly. And if you go into your statistical books or the websites, you will find this formula to solve such kind of problems, and the answer is coming 0.47, which in percentage will become 47.62%. so here it is, our solution, and thanks to ChatGPT once again to solve our problem. Thank you.